Okay, so I'm starting to see a drip here, and I can see it a lot better on the top, but it's coming from the back side of the engine there. I don't know if on video you can see it. It's pretty slow, but like when I'm actually driving, it starts to, you know, dump coolant out real quick. There's a little clamp back there with two hoses going. There's a connector in between it, and it's dripping from the bottom of it. I can see it and smell it, but I can definitely see it. I don't know if on video you can, but that's definitely where that's coming from. So this is the new part. The only difference between this and the OEM one is this one is aluminum, the OEM one is plastic, but it'll just be two hoses on both sides, slip on this way and slip on here, and then two clamps from here to here, and that's about it. It's just in a tough spot, but this is the part I am replacing. It's like this part of the hose is considerably thicker than this is because this clamp has been on for so long, so you've got to really like fully, you know, lock this out and get it as big as possible to slip it back. So I'm gonna keep trying to do that, but that's the idea. I couldn't get these down in there, they're too bulky, there's just not enough space here. So these worked really well, but I couldn't personally get those to work. After a while of just, I don't know, wiggling this back and forth this way with the vice grips fully, you know, closing that and opening the clamp as much as I can, I was able to just wiggle it that way. Well, and that is exactly what was the problem, is it was cracked, and so I just pulled it apart there, but you can see where the crack had formed, and I just broke it right there fully, but it was already kind of like that. So that is what the issue is, this little plastic piece. I don't know why they use plastic on a part like that, but they do. So we'll get the other end out and replace it. Okay, finally, Jesus. Okay, I finally got that. So both hoses are fully, you know, to that stopping point, both sides, and the clamps are fully on both sides as well. So that is just a tough spot to get to. Honestly, you just have like 3 inches of space right here, and it's just a tough spot, but I think we got it all clamped together, and that'll be just fine there. So